Oh yes, folks, buckle up because DJI is shaking up the action camera world once again. Just when everyone thought the Action 5 Pro had reached the peak of performance, here comes the DJI Action 6, ready to flip the entire game upside down. This isn't just a simple upgrade, it's a revolution. DJI is changing the way creators connect with their gear forever. Imagine controlling your action cam directly from your wrist. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, with the new smartwatch integration, that future is now. Whether you're hiking through rugged trails, diving deep underwater, or sprinting up a mountain, you can record, switch modes, and even monitor your heart rate and altitude, all without touching the camera. Your wrist just became mission control for your next adventure, but that's only the beginning. The Action 6 takes power, performance, and intelligence and fuses them into one compact beast. The smartwatch connection works flawlessly with Apple Watch and Garmin devices, letting you start or stop recording, change modes, or take still shots in seconds. It even syncs your heart rate, altitude, and dive data directly into your footage in real time. Garmin users will love the extra performance metrics like cadence and power tracking, turning your wearable into a full-blown adventure command center. Now, let's talk about what truly makes this camera shine: the hardware. The Action 6 flexes a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor, capturing stunning detail, rich textures, and up to 13.5 stops of dynamic range. Whether you're chasing sunsets, snowboarding in bright light, or diving beneath the waves, the color accuracy and contrast will absolutely blow you away. Video specs? Total powerhouse. You're getting 8K at 30 FPS, 5.3K at 60 FPS, and buttery smooth 4K at 120 FPS slow motion. Pure cinematic bliss for creators who demand nothing less than perfection. Design-wise, DJI kept the fan-favorite dual-screen setup, one on the back, one on the front, perfect for vloggers and travelers who want perfect framing every time. And it's as tough as ever, waterproof up to 20 meters with no extra housing needed. Connectivity also got a major boost. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and USB-C with potential DisplayPort support mean ultra-fast transfers and rock-solid wireless control. But there's one mystery that's driving fans wild: that pill-shaped component beneath the front screen. Some say it's a new sensor. Others think it's for gesture control. Whatever it is, it's adding serious hype to this upcoming release. Battery life? You'll have options: a 1770 mAh version for longer runtime and a 1500 mAh for lighter portability. It's the kind of versatility creators love. Rumors point to an official announcement between August and October. And given how polished the leaks look, DJI's next big reveal could drop any day now. In short, the DJI Action 6 isn't just an upgrade. It's a statement. From smartwatch integration that makes your wrist the ultimate control hub to a powerful 1-inch sensor delivering breathtaking cinematic quality, DJI is once again proving why it leads the action cam game. Here at GadgetVerse, we'll be watching every update, every leak, and every announcement the second it drops. So hit that subscribe button, ring that bell icon, and stay tuned, because when DJI finally unveils this beast, you'll get the full deep dive right here on